Welcome to Becoming Boss C. I recently took a survey from the Institute of Internal Auditors, which is the governing body that manages the Certified Internal Auditor or CIA exam. The IIA asked survey questions about how valuable the certification is, in my opinion, if my employer valued that I had earned the CIA certification, and why I chose to become a CIA. However, towards the end of the survey, the IIA asked questions about future exam structure changes. One option was to consolidate parts 1 and 2 into a combined exam section, so there would only be 2 exam parts instead of the current 3-part exam. The survey also considered the idea of earning a new credential after passing parts 1 and 2. Then the candidate would earn the Certified Internal Auditor credential only after passing all 3 parts. So essentially with this, you would earn 2 credentials, the CIA designation and then maybe like a CIA candidate designation. There was a question about if part 3 should be focused on a specific industry such as financial services, government, public service, or manufacturing, or if part 3 should just be focused on a specific business area such as IT, information technology, operations and processes, compliance, risk management, governance, etc. But I want to know your thoughts. Should this exam format change? Comment below. Let me know what you think. I'll briefly share my thoughts. This is my opinion and perspective as a person who just earned the CIA designation. I believe it is important to maintain the rigor and difficulty of a certifications exam. It shows that the CIA is knowledgeable, committed to the internal audit profession, and skilled enough to know multiple aspects of planning, executing, and directing an internal audit. I think that is what the CPA exam has done so well, and that's the Certified Public Accounting exam. The CPA exam is respected on a global scale, and adding that credential to your resume makes you stand out from the other candidates. Over the years, the CPA exam has become even more challenging, and yes, even longer in time. So, what do you think of all this, though? Do you think that the IIA should change the CIA exam structure? Is the CIA exam too difficult? Does the current exam structure discourage professionals from becoming a certified internal auditor? Let me know. As always, stay blessed and stay Boss C.